Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla Mingo, and today's video is a video to help you stay cool in this hot summer heat. So I live in Texas, and here in Texas it is so hot right now, like it's over 100 degrees. So I am going to make some fresh strawberry lemonade today, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. It's really very easy. You really only need 3 ingredients, just 3. It's not hard at all. So you're going to need, of course, your fresh lemons. You're going to need fresh strawberries, as well as some sugar. And of course, you're going to need some water. And those are the only ingredients you need. And so this is going to be really quick and easy. And I am so thirsty right now, so I cannot wait to make this so I can take a drink myself. If you would like, you can follow me on Instagram at I am Carla Mingo. And so yeah, I'm ready to get started. Let's make some fresh lemonade. Okay guys, the first step we're going to do is we're going to actually make our fresh lemon juice. So you're going to need about 5 to 6 medium-sized lemons approximately. So we're just going to slice those in half. We're going to put those in some kind of lemon juice maker, squeezer, whatever you want to call it. You're going to put your lemon in there, and we're going to need about a cup of lemon juice. And so I just have my little measuring cup here, so I can just go ahead and measure as I squeeze and make this fresh lemon juice. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I love this particular lemon juice squeezer because, of course, you don't have all the seeds and all of that. It's really pretty quick and easy. And then we're just gonna keep going. Drop that in there and squeeze really fast. It smells so good, and with the mint that I have here, oh my gosh, I'm gonna add some mint to my lemonade. But yeah, so we're just gonna continue slicing our lemons, making our fresh lemon juice. Okay, I have my cup of lemon juice, as you can see, and I use exactly 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I use 4 lemons to get my cup of lemon juice. Also, you may want to save like this, and you can cut up some little slices to put inside of your lemonade or to garnish your glasses. So just kind of keep these to the side. So let's move to the next step. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is make our simple syrup for the lemonade. We're going to take a cup of water and pour into a small saucepan, and we're going to add a cup of sugar in here as well. And we're going to turn this on and let this heat up and make a nice little syrup. If you want a little bit more healthier version for your lemonade, instead of using the granulated white sugar for your simple syrup, you can just put a little honey in your lemonade. Instead of, you can skip this process altogether and put a little honey in your strawberry puree, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. But yeah, so you can also do healthier versions as well. So we're gonna bring this to a boil. And just kind of stir that until it's kind of nice and syrupy. Okay, as you can see now we have our little simple syrup already made. And we're just going to let that cool. We're just going to keep that sitting here on the stove. Okay guys, we're now ready for our next step. We're going to actually take our strawberries. I've already started putting them in the blender, but you're just going to take your strawberries. You're just going to cut the ends off like that. You're going to drop them in the blender. And we're going to add, this is where I was telling you earlier, where if you wanted to add some honey here to in your strawberries, you can do that to sweeten your lemonade, instead of using the white granulated sugar. So there's all kind of ways you can kind of make it where it's healthier for your family. If you know you're trying to cut sugar out of your diet, like a lot of people are, definitely understand that. But yeah. So this is about 1 pound of strawberries. So you know when you buy strawberries, they come in that little square container. That's what this is. So you can just buy one of those and you will have plenty of strawberries. So now we have our strawberries in our blender. We're going to puree this. Before we do that, we do want to add about 1/2 cup of water in here. And we're also going to add about 1 tablespoon of sugar, just to kind of sweeten the strawberries a little bit. So we're going to just do a little bit of sugar in there. Put the top on, and then we're going to go ahead and puree that. Okay, now we have our strawberry puree. Okay, we are now ready to mix everything together. So we just finished our strawberry puree, and I'm going to strain this in this bowl because I don't want a lot of the larger strawberry chunks in there. I want a smoother lemonade, but if you like the chunks, you don't have to, you can skip this step altogether. So I'm just going to pour this in here. I can get just the juice. And it just kind of catches all of those extra little chunks of strawberry. But you know, some people like the extra chunks, and then you can just press to just make sure you're getting all of the strawberry juice. And also it helps with those strawberry seeds. I don't know if you've ever had strawberry lemonade and those seeds, it's just, that really bothers me. I do not like the seeds. So this keeps all of those seeds out of your drink. And just press, and press, and press, and press. Just sit that over here, and we'll sit this out of the way. Okay. Okay, so we have our puree strawberries, we have our simple syrup that we made earlier, and we have our fresh squeezed lemon juice. So these are our 3 main ingredients. Now we're going to mix everything together. So we're going to take whatever container you want. I'm going to use this glass pitcher that I have. This is a glass pitcher, and you can actually pour boiling water in it. You can make tea, you can it's a lot you can do with this, and I prefer the glass because the plastic ones sometimes leave like that residue around when you have lemon. I don't know if you ever had a plastic container and then after a while you have like this kind of film inside. So this doesn't do that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour in our puree. Okay. We're gonna add our simple sugar. And then we're going to add our lemon juice. So now we're going to add our water. And with this, you can add more or less depending on how strong you like your lemonade. So I'm going to add 4.5 cups of water, which again, adjust it to your taste. We're just gonna add our water. And we're going to stir. Okay, so we have a glass of ice here and we're about ready to serve this up. So we're gonna pour some lemonade in here. We're going to garnish our glass with lemon and mint inside and our straw. And it's now time for a cool sip of fresh strawberry lemonade. Mmm. So refreshing. That is so delicious. And then the mint, adding the mint just gives it a nice little kick if you want that kind of little extra kick. But yeah. That is so good. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this recipe has inspired you to make some good summer, cool, refreshing drinks for your family and just enjoy this hot summer that we're in and be able to be at home and relax and just have a nice, cool beverage. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't subscribed, like and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.